Nagabintagi kubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u
Executive Member Kagorel Autonomous District Council Albinus Marak Ulari Sign no Nakshiki CEM Hai Jaka Jung Upat Lami Bujulino U Dhormonath CEM Sangma YouTube buat persatuan song hadim melawai ke jingalang Kendon Menteri ke jing Iehkam CEM U Albinus Marak kawan hadim ke jingkan ad hak sincar khadar hapok Kagorel District Council bagi jing tu bonra jing teli ke jing yet ke jing siar ka teka district council na kelem buat perstun dan sangulong bakarai bala ji usim temai kelem buat penpe ya jing ya kan at jong council hadim lambi ka kun ram halor ka jing yo mentap keteng jong uwe ubar barjala sya ka election arajar alhonreu keban sepelang dah ka district council Hagor Hills namar kedan kate ke jong kun ram ka kabinet mentasi kelarai banjir de waipat kumjuru ban penjalan
decision taken by the cabinet today. Let me just inform to all of you that again today in the morning the CM of the District Council, Shri Albinus Armara, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Shri Dhormonath CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the House for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal as far as Garo Hills